Master reading nonfiction. Note-taking and organizing information with mind maps. Hello language learners. Today we're focusing on an essential skill when reading nonfiction: note-taking and organizing information. We'll delve into a fantastic tool that you can use to visually organize your thoughts and make your learning more effective: mind maps. A mind map is a visual tool that helps to illustrate and connect ideas. It starts with a central concept and branches out into related ideas, making it excellent for understanding, remembering, and connecting thoughts in an intuitive way. When reading nonfiction, it can be highly beneficial as it provides a visual layout of the complex information, aiding in both comprehension and retention. Using a mind map while reading nonfiction can boost your understanding and memory. It can help you identify the main ideas and subtopics, see relationships and connections between different ideas, retain information better by engaging both your creative and logical thinking, summarize a large amount of information in a compact and accessible way. Creating a mind map is easy and fun. Here are some steps. 1. Start in the middle. Write the central idea or the main theme of the nonfiction text in the middle of the page. 2. Create branches. For each main idea or topic related to the central theme, draw a branch from the center. Label it with the topic. 3. Add sub-branches. For each detail, fact, or piece of supporting information related to each topic, draw a sub-branch. 4. Use colors and images. Be creative and use different colors, symbols, or images to differentiate and categorize the information. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Make it personal and fun. To get comfortable with mind maps, start using them with different nonfiction texts. You might create a mind map for a news article, a scientific paper, or a biography. With each mind map, you'll get better at identifying key points, organizing information, and seeing the bigger picture. That wraps up our discussion on mind maps, a fantastic tool for reading nonfiction, understanding complex ideas, and remembering what you read. We hope you found this video helpful and are excited to start using mind maps in your language learning journey. Remember, the key to mastery is practice. So, grab a piece of paper and start mapping your thoughts. Happy learning!